Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? While doing research, I realized that the Missouri had a wood deck.
Huh?
Now, the wood deck is represented by this blue piece.
Okay.
I can't paint too good, so yeah,
Oh no.
I had to fix that. So I ordered some toothpicks, way more than I would ever need. Then I dyed them, 3 different colors, glued them together, came up with this.
Wow. Okay.
Looks good. And I put the other piece on and realized that I need to make another one, smaller one. So I did it again. And I came up with this and turned that into that. Then I loosely fit everything together just to see how it would look. Turns out, it looks pretty good. Still not finished though.